What's the meaning of bugler? Bugler. Bugler.
Bugler. Bugler. A bugler is a person who plays the bugle, a brass wind instrument typically used in the military to convey signals and commands. The sound of a bugle has a distinctive and recognizable quality, and its use has been an important part of military tradition for centuries. Buglers are trained in a variety of different calls, each with a specific meaning and purpose, ranging from wake-up calls to signals of retreat or victory. The role of the bugler has evolved over time, but it remains an important part of military culture and history, representing both tradition and discipline.